Dear traders, welcome to FX Mentor, and in this video I'm going to talk about the new indicator that we can use for the scalping purpose. So guys, I have tested this indicator. The indicator is performing really well. That's why I thought to make a video and provide you guys with the latest technology of the indicators that is coming on the TradingView completely for free. So guys, basically as per the author, the recommended time frame is 15 minutes and 30 minutes. However, I slightly disagree to the author wordings because I have tested this indicator on the 1 minute time frame and it has very crazy results on the 1 minute time frame, and I will tell you that how the indicator is actually working. So before I proceed with the video, so guys, please make sure that if you have not subscribed the FX Mentor, please press the subscribe button and be a part of FX Mentor community, because I will be sharing a lot of knowledge with you and we will also be going to learn the price action into the coming days. Okay guys, moreover you can watch my previous videos, and if you find any good indicator that can work as a combination with this indicator, then you can also choose that one as well. So please make sure that you should watch the full video so that you should not skip any part. Okay guys, this is the gold 1 minute chart, and you know that gold is traded almost everywhere. This is kind of a wish of every trader that I should trade gold, and this is definitely going to help you with this indicator. Okay, now look at here. This is the live market. You can see that the blue zone started. Okay guys, now we have two colors into the blue. If you look at here, the first color is the slight you can say that that's light blue color, and the second color is the dark color, right? So as per the author, the light color means that you should go for the long position, which we normally say that this is a buy position, right? And as per the author, the dark blue colors means that the market is into the buy zone. Like for example, look at gold. Basically the signal was started from here, and I have changed my candles to Hikanashi, and I have talked about this in my videos, because they will turn green and you will be understanding that it is going to be a bullish opportunity, right? And when they will turn red, it is going to be the bearish opportunity. Now guys, even at this point you have two confirmations. The Hikanashi turned green, and secondly, if you look at here, the blue zone started with the light blue color. That was your entry for going into the long position. And you can see from here to here, let me put an arrow so that I can show you properly, because if you look at this point, you can see that the market has certainly went into the upward direction. Now you can see that we have a dark portion here. The dark blue color means, as per the author, that this is the buy zone. Now guys, you must make sure that you are trading the 1 minute chart, so you can only do preferably scalping based on your lot size. If your lot size is high, then you should immediately exit from the trade after getting a reasonable profit. However, on this, if you ask me, then I must be out of that trade. Okay guys, now you can see the black dot is coming. The first dot black is appeared. So as per the author of this indicator, it indicates that now you should go for the sell position. This is going to be the short level of the market, right? Okay, now let's have a look on the other pairs, because we should not only stick to gold. Okay, for example, this is going to be black. So when it turns black, like for example, if we talk about here, it was black and you can see a very good downward pattern was seen, and when it turned blue, then here. Okay guys, one thing that I have noticed with this indicator, and even I talk about the other indicators, that you should not trade any kind of chart which is into the ranging pattern. Like if you look at here on Euro USD 1 minute here, it's kind of a ranging pattern. That's not good for your trading. Go for the trending markets. So for example, if we choose USD JPY 1 minute, that's very good. Look at here. The Hikanashi turned green, and even this turned blue color. That was your possibly entrance for the buy position. You can see the market straight went up, and then here it turned dark blue. So still the market still kept on going up, but you should take your chance up to here, because 1 minute scalping doesn't mean that you need to hold your trades for the longer period of time. Okay, now look at here at this point you can see the dark black color comes. The market started to push down, and that was a very good downward trend remained, and now it's again turning into the the blue color, and one black as well. But we definitely, you know that no indicator is 100% in the forex market, so definitely you will be seeing such situations as well. But overall, when we talk about this indicator, if you follow it with the trends, with the Heikin-Ashi patterns, that's good. Like for example, USD CAD 1 minute, you can see Heikin-Ashi turned green, and now look at this indicator turning into the light blue color, so preferable for scalping. But again, note down one thing: what is the trend here? This is the downtrend. So what I will do, what I have taught you in my lessons, that I avoid buy signals in the downtrend. So when it will turn black again for the sell position, then I will go and take my entry, and this is how I will use this indicator, right? So I'm on Great Britain Pound JPY. You can see a good drop already, and with the following the black pattern, and here the bullish. But overall here the market is ranging. So guys, you need to avoid the ranging patterns, go for the trending patterns, and you will be completely fine with this indicator. Look, this is the ranging pattern. This is your duty, guys. You need to find out which pair is good to trade. Otherwise, don't choose such pairs. Like even it's kind of ranging, okay? So this is not good. Even NZD USD, this is ranging. So better you can stick to gold. This is not ranging at the moment. You can see it's still going up, right? And that's kind of a thing that you can do for the scalping. So guys, the name of the indicator I'm going to mention here, this is by David Bruniert, and the name of the indicator is the Grement low time frame scalping M15 M30. However, my personal observation that it works great on the 1 minute time frame. Rest you can try yourself as well, and you can tell me that which time frame is working best. And guys, what are your thoughts about this indicator strategy? If you like this strategy, please press the like button and share this video with everyone, and please let me know about your thoughts into the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.